In this video, learn the secrets for a relaxing evening routine that will help you have the most productive day tomorrow. Tip number 1. Reflect and decompress. Take a few moments to unwind from the day's activities. Reflect on what went well and what could be improved upon. This is your time to mentally transition from the day's work to relaxing mode. Anything that seems to be troubling you at the moment, write it down and we'll have time to worry about that tomorrow. Although if you're a believer like me, you can just give it to God and don't have to worry about the worrying part. This is a good time to do a brain dump also in case you have some nagging thoughts or to-dos for the next day. That way, they will leave you alone in the night and you can enjoy your relaxing evening routine as well as have a list to hit the ground running tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, next up, we're going to be planning for tomorrow. Take a couple of minutes to plan out tomorrow's tasks and prior commitments. Review your calendar, jot down any appointments or errands, and prioritize your to-do list. This helps to alleviate any anxieties for the next day, as well as allowing you to be more productive tomorrow. In addition, be sure to check the weather and lay out your clothes for the next day. Even if you're planning on staying in, it is super important to get dressed for the day, so be sure that you do that. That saves you a lot of time in the morning and will effectively help you to be more productive because what you're going to wear will already be pre-selected and you can just put it on and jump into your day. This simple step can help to alleviate some of the decision fatigue that we face day to day. Plus, dressing for success can help boost your confidence and motivation for the day ahead. Next up, set the atmosphere. So now that you're done thinking about today and prepping for tomorrow, it's time to set the atmosphere for a relaxing evening. Create a calming environment by dimming some lights if possible, lighting candles, or playing soft music. This signals to your brain that it's time to unwind. And the more you do it, the more your mind and body get used to it. By the time you start this routine, your body will be ready to relax and enjoy the evening. This can even help you to fall asleep faster eventually. After you're done setting the atmosphere, consider unplugging and disconnecting for the evening. Of course, you can enjoy a little bit of electronics during your unwinding time, but be sure at least an hour to 2 before bedtime, eliminate these devices. The blue light emitting from these screens can disrupt your sleep-wake cycles, thus making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, use this time to engage in relaxing activities like reading, journaling, spending time with loved ones, breathing exercises, reading the Bible if you're a believer like me, or any other relaxing activities. You can still choose to engage your mind a little bit more by doing some brain exercises like puzzles or engaging in a hobby such as knitting. Make sure you take some time during your relaxing evening to practice some self-care. It is super duper important, but sadly is often neglected. Take care of your physical and mental well-being by engaging in these self-care activities. This could include things such as a warm bath, a relaxing hobby, a soothing beverage. Be sure to prioritize activities that help you relax during this time. Next up, be sure to practice gratitude. Before bed, take a moment to reflect on 3 things that you are grateful for today. Practicing gratitude can help to shift your focus from worry and stress to appreciation and contentment. This can help to promote a sense of peace and fulfillment. Next, be sure to create a calming bedtime tradition that can help you relax and get ready to fall asleep. This helps your body ease into further relaxation mode and prompts easier sleep. Find an activity that resonates with you. Incorporating this soothing tradition into your bedtime routine sets the stage for a perfect wind down before bed. This helps to create a soothing and calm environment every single night, promoting deeper and healthier sleep patterns. And if you want to have a calm and soothing experience, not just in the evening, but in the morning as well, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.